ADP Workforce Now Employee Login. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, simply type in sign in ADP Workforce. As you do so, you will see ADP Workforce that says sign in ADP WFN portal. Click onto the first link, which is its official website. After a couple seconds, you will get landed onto a page like this. In here, you have to enter your user ID. So let's go ahead and do that. Once you do so, in case you would like this site to remember your user ID for future, you can also check the box of Remember User ID. In case you don't know your user ID, click on Forgot User ID and get help resetting your account. Now, once you are done entering your user ID, click on the Next button on your right-hand side. A password box will also appear. Type in your password. Once done, click on to Sign In. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your ADP account. In case you don't have an account, you can also create one by clicking on to Get Started button at the below page. And just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.